If you're interested in generating the stress strain data from a simulation in Abaqus, this is one of the ways that you can do it. And this particular method involves you volume averaging the parameter that you're looking over a defined cross-section. So if we look at the fix, it's fixed at the back, and also in the front, we've got our tensile load. Okay, before we run that, we need to mesh the domain. So if I switch to the mesh, dependent parts, so click on that and accept what it's giving us. Clearly, what we want to use is the hexahedral sweep. So we work with the sweeping, and then we can then mesh the domain. So it looks all right, and then we can submit. So job is completed, and then let's look at the result. So we've got our result. Everything looks okay. And we can look at the animation. It looks all right. Then the last thing to generate the data is to operate on this data. So if we want to operate on this data, we're going to use the combine option. So E11, S11, and then we can then plot the expression. So it now generates the volume average data of stress and strain for this material. So if we then look at the data that is available here at the end there, so the very last data here, we can rename that. So this will be case 1, S11 versus E11. So we've got that data and we noted it. Then for the other ones, we can just go ahead and delete all of that. Okay, so we've got that. Then I can just remove these ones because they're not necessary.